elements like this. We've got animated devices, animated emojis, shape layers. These are really cool because you can quickly add shapes, that have got pre-done animations onto your videos like that, and adjust the colors, adjust the size if you like, position them, duplicate them, like this. Yeah, it's really that easy. Yeah, video effects as well, which these are really, really cool. So you can add things like this onto your videos. Fire effects like this, explosions. Yeah, just a whole bunch of really cool video effects. They look really good on just normal video footage. So yeah, so that's the main kind of part of Studio Builder. We've got some free assets in here, but for those who purchase the All Access Pass, they'll be able to get access to all the templates in the template library, as well as full access to every asset that we add and that are currently in here as well. So every month we'll be adding new assets, new templates into the marketplace as well as here. Okay, so let me just actually go through and create something else. I'll show you some other cool features. So if I go back over to media, and I'll just make this black. We've got a massive shape library, as you can see. So some really cool shapes. So let's say, for example, I grab this Apple TV, I'll just center it and go to the start. Just make it a little bit longer. And what I could do is actually create a really cool mask. So if I grab this video and center it and then go right click mask with shape, you can see that it overlays the video or the image on top of your shape. So what I could then do is create a really cool motion animation. So if I go to zoom, let's say spec scale down like this, and I'll just increase that duration. That looks really, really classy here. So you could add, if you had like a SVG shape layer of your own logo, you could do that with your own logo, or just do it with, you could also do it with text. So if I just delete everything here and just go to text and just say CreateStudio like this, and if I just go over to the text links, I can go grab a really cool text font. Maybe I'll go with something like Open Sans, and I'll make it bold like this. Okay, so then what I could do is simply drag that video and then mask it with CreateStudio, and you can see if I play this that the video plays in behind the actual text. So you can create really cool animations and effects with that. And we've also got, for the Pro Media upgrade, integrations with Pixabay. We're integrating with Unsplash, our own audio library of professional audio tracks. So let's say you just add a keyword like tennis, for example. And we're also going to have a sound effects library as well. So we hired some sound artists to create custom sound effects for the characters and for motion graphics and explainer videos. So you can go through and just left click and import this media. So let's say I got that like that, and then all of it's added over here into your media library. So let's say, for example, this tennis ball, I could drag and drop it over here, and then what I could do is go to motion and let's go to slide bounce like this one, and just check that, and you can instantly animate any object, like that. It's super fast and really, really cool to do. So another thing you can do as well is if you animate, or you have like a template or a video that you want to that you added an animation to, like this, for example. Let's say this one was slide right. I'll just delete that, just bring this to the start, and let's say it goes slide right like this. I could go through, and if I wanted to change that picture, I'd just go to replace and then select a different image from my image media library, and it instantly changes the picture, and you retain the animation like that. Okay. What you can also do, which is really cool, is we've got custom animations built into the timeline. So what you could do, for example, is if I just delete this one and use maybe something like my logo like this. So just bring this down and center it like so. I could go through and animate this any way I want. So I could click on plus to add a custom animation. I can select what I want to animate, so the position, opacity, scale, rotation, skew, border, shadow. If I want to add some motion blur to that. So what I'm going to do is maybe create a scale and rotation animation. So I'll check those ones. Basically, adjust the start and end point. So I'm going to make it 0, and I'm going to rotate it maybe 180 degrees like that. And you're about to see that now we've got this really nice looking animation like that. So if I just play this again. And what I could do also is adjust the easing for this. So let's say I want to go with back like that. Then it kind of overshoots and then it comes back like that. And again, you could adjust the duration to make it a bit faster like this. I could make it a bit bigger. Just center that again like that. So that's really cool. If I just delete this as well, I'll show you how you can create looping animations. We're going to be having looping animations on the motion presets as well. We're going to be adding that feature, but you can go through and create looping animations as well on the timeline at the moment, just with custom animations. So let's go, maybe grab something like this. I'll just center that, and again I'll just add it to the start. And what I could do is click on plus, go to scale, and I'm going to start it smaller. Let's bring it down maybe like that. So you can see now it comes up to there. And what I'm going to do is adjust the easing to make it out power 1 like this. And all I need to do is right click, duplicate, reverse, and just do that a few times like this. Like that. So you can create really cool looping ones. You can obviously do it with position, or you can adjust the easing to make it more smooth and things like that. Yeah, and there's a whole bunch of other features I probably missed. We've got green screen editing over on the video footage. On the advanced settings, you can remove colors. Yeah, so just a whole bunch of other things in here. But so that's like just a quick overview of the software. It's a super powerful software, as you can see, and we're going to be obviously continually building this and adding new features. We've got a whole big list of amazing features we're going to be adding into the software post launch time. So yeah, if you need anything, get in touch with us at launch@createstudio.com. We look forward to making this amazing launch with you guys and your support, and yeah, we'll speak to you again soon.